And we begin with breaking news. The Globe area will not get federal relief after this deadly flooding that happened back in September. You might remember these devastating scenes, floodwaters surging through the city. Multiple people were killed. The property damage very extensive, as you can see in these pictures. Governor Hobbs said today the Federal Emergency Management Agency denied Arizona's request for a major disaster declaration for flooding in Gila and Mojave counties from the dates September 25th through 27th.
According to the governor, FEMA says that assistance was not necessary. That means that these communities will be without federal funding and resources. State officials estimated the floods caused $33 million in damages.
And the rebuilding continues there.
Yeah.
A lot of those businesses are still closed.